I've been waiting for this box for weeks, and now that it's finally here, I'm so excited to show you everything I picked in my FabFitFun Spring box. And make sure you watch until the end because I'll be sharing a promo code for $20 off your annual subscription. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. If you love FabFitFun and beauty, make sure to subscribe. Today I'm unboxing my FabFitFun Spring box and showing you everything that I chose. Let's get started. For the first customization, there are 12 items including one luxe option. I went with the Year of Ours backpack in tow, which is of $85 value. They also had an yellow option, but I love this neutral toe cause it goes with everything. Up front, it has these two adorable little pockets plus a buckle detail. Inside, there's a small zip pocket to keep your valuables safe. Let me test if it fits my travel essentials. Yes, it fits my laptop, my travel journal, and my makeup pouch perfectly, which makes it ideal for trips. I also love the small front pockets for keeping quick access items like small jewelry and lip balm, hair clips, and other little essentials. It also has a drawstring closure and the straps are adjustable for a comfortable fit. The adjustable PU belt and the buckle strap give it a more elevated high-end look while still being super functional. Since my husband and I travel a lot, this is gonna be the perfect travel bag for me. For the second customization, there are 7 items. I almost chose the Coach heart necklace, but I already own several heart pendants and necklaces. So instead, I picked the Few Mota Tear bag in cream, which is of $89 value. It's also so unique and chic. Inside, there's a slip pocket that's great for cards and a zip pocket for smaller items. It comes with both a crossbody and a shoulder strap, which you can adjust using the buckle. You can attach the crossbody here to these two handles. This bag easily fits a large phone, wallet, keys, and a few makeup items. I love this clasp, which opens and closes this bag. Personally, I'll probably use it more as a clutch because it looks so elegant that way. The woven texture is gorgeous and it's perfect for dinner, date night, or girls' night out. For customization 3, there are 14 items, including a luxe option. I chose the Coach charm bracelet in gold, which is valued at $125. It also came in silver, but I prefer gold jewelry. It has multiple charms, including a teardrop charm, the signature Coach C, a heart. I love that it has a mix of styles so it doesn't feel too matchy. The adjustable clasp makes it comfortable and secure, so you can wear it every day or dress it up for special occasions. If you're liking this breakdown, feel free to hit subscribe. I share FabFitFun spoilers, pics, and honest reviews every season. For customization 4, there are 8 options. I picked the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment in Strawberry Sorbet, which is of $23 value. They have other options as well, which are Lingonberry Jam Glimmer and Creme Brulee. Let me swatch this so you can see this color. This shade gives a beautiful glossy finish and works as a nourishing lip balm. It contains peptides for plumping and cocoa butter. You can wear it alone or layer it over lipstick for a more polished look. This smells like strawberries. For customization 5, there are 12 items, including one luxe option. I went with the Ilia Beauty Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon in genre, which is of $26 value. It's a gorgeous mauve brown shade. Let me swatch this for you. You can use this as a lip liner or fill in your entire lips with it. This formula feels creamy, comfortable, and bleed proof. You can wear it alone for a natural look or top it with a gloss for extra shine. For customization 6, there are 11 items. I chose two hairstyling bundles because I love styling my hair. First, I selected the Sexy Hair Peak Altitude Modifying Blow Dry Mousse and Frizz Control bundle, which is a $45.99 value. This lightweight mousse is supposed to give you up to 100% volume with 48-hour hold. It also protects against humidity and frizz for up to 72 hours. And the best part is it has heat protectant up to 450 degrees, which is amazing. I also added an additional Sexy Hair Volumizing Dry Texture Spray and Root Pump Mousse bundle as an additional choice, which is again valued at $46.90. I'm really excited to try both of these and see how they perform on my hair. I'll test them out and share my honest reviews in a future video. And that wraps up my FabFitFun Spring box. Let me know in the comments which products you love and what you picked in your box. I'd really love to hear your choices. And as promised, you can get $20 off your annual subscription using the link below. I've also added this link in the description for you. If you found this helpful, please like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future unboxings and deals. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings, my friends.